What do you think, Grace? What's left of our dear old Land Rover? Oh, right, yeah.
Have you seen it?
No.
I sent a picture to them on the WhatsApp and then texted saying go on WhatsApp, but I didn't hear anything back.
So, spare tyre. Most of the paint appears to come off. Chassis still there. The cleaned bulkhead. Awful looking thing. The engine block. The front axle after it's been cleaned. Various bits. Tank guard. Gearbox. Tank. Overnight dust. So there we go. Job done.